0. Select node cursor, geometry, transitional repeat, x-axis 5000 mm, node stage 5. Okay. Control C, Control V, y-axis 6000 mm up. Select all. Current beam at y-axis. Okay, add beam. Select beam, beam tool, insert node midpoint. Okay. Select node cursor. Select Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 1000 mm up. Okay. Then this geometry, add beam. Select beams, beam tool, stress beam to an existing member, select member, apply. Again select opposite beam, apply. Okay. Select transition geometry, transitional repeat, z-axis, 7000 mm, 5 span. Okay. Okay. Select I do it 1 2 3 4 5. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, z-axis 42000 mm. Okay. Then view, front view, select. Oh, sorry. Node cursor, view, front view, select. So geometry, connect beam along z-axis. Numbers are created. Okay, nice. Select geometry, add beam, select bracing, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, reference point. Okay. Opposite side and opposite side. Okay. Again bracing, now select beam parallel to Y, view, selected object. Okay. Now properties, where is properties, tekla, select columns, assign to selected beams. Taper, assign to selected beams. Then view display whole structure. From view, select top, select selected object, geometry, add beams, select all beams with bracings, Ctrl C, Ctrl E, reference point. Okay. Okay. Now select side parts, select tapered parts. This will be tapered. Select tapered parts, assign to selected beams. Select all other parts. Select also gable sides. And again. Select also gable sides. Okay. Assign to selected beams. Okay. Then view, front view, select pipe, and assign to selected beams, and then rod, then select missing property and select and assign rod bracings. Okay, view display whole structure, select missing property, first pipe, then select missing properties and assign them to pipe bracings. So our modeling is complete. We should go for 3D rendering, and that should be our 3D. The columns are tapered. Another one, the gable column might be at 90 degree. Then we go for view, front view, see beta angle, create beta angle 90 degree. Okay, then we select this column and assign to selected beams. So we go for 3D rendering. These columns rotated to 90 degree, and these columns are tapered. See, these columns are tapered, and this portion of the beam also tapered, and this is straight. So this is a 3D modeling of a building within 10 minutes. Staad Pro is not that hard. Basically Staad Pro is very easy software, but you need to learn them in a good way, and for steel building design you must have sufficient BNBC knowledge over it, and also ASC 705, UBC and IBC course. That's all. Thank you.